proponents. First on the Senate and secondly in the House. Kasi nga po, yun na lang ang kulang. Alam na natin yung modus, alam na natin yung mga kasabwat doon sa alleged kasabwat doon sa DPWH, sa contractors. Yung accountability direction is towards na doon sa mga lawmaker proponents. So are you going to, number one, open the records of the BICAM to know who are the proponents? And number two, will you be recommending cases against fellow lawmakers, whether senators or congressmen?
We will always be guided by evidence. Kilala nyo naman ako, RJ. Kung masagasaan, masagasaan. Walang dapat santoy. Kasi kung meron tayong pagtatakpan, bakit pa tayo nag-iimbestiga? Bakit pa tayo? Although, in aid of legislation, pero meron kaming isi-share namin sa executive branch, whatever pieces of evidence na mag-gather para magamit, ma-put into good use.